Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of my embroidery journey and we will be learning how to do the fly stitch. Let's not delay, let's start the video very quickly. So let's start how to do the fly stitch. So in this video, let's learn how to do the fly stitch. Okay. So in the fly stitch, like if you see, I have already the pattern for that. So let's start the video. So let me begin from here, then let me hold this here. I'll try to insert it here. Okay, let me pull this. Okay, then let me insert in between this, then pull, then insert the needle here. We'll end with the normal stitch from here. So we have completed the fly stitch. It looks something like this. I hope you understood. Today we have learned how to do the fly stitch, so it looks something like this. And so thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to the channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.